So this is how to sell crypto on Ndax. Once you guys open up Ndax, first and foremost, you're going to be on the trade screen. So go to the bottom left, select trade. So for example, if you're on wallet and you want to change this, you can go to the bottom left and select trade. Once you're here, you can then select a cryptocurrency that you want to sell. So you can either go here and scroll and find one that you own that you want to sell, or you can go to the search bar and find one as well. For this demonstration, how about I just use Dogecoin as an example? So once you have your crypto selected, in the bottom right of your screen, it says sell. Go ahead and select that. Then once you're here, you're going to be on the sell page. So if it says buy, it's going to be green. If it says sell, it's going to be red. You can then choose your sell type. So there's market, limit, stop, etc. I will keep it at market for this example. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and select the type of crypto that you want to sell. So you can either do it per crypto that you own. So if you wanted to sell one Dogecoin, for example, you'll then be able to do that. You can also go here and do the order value. So if you wanted to sell $10 worth, for an example, you could press on 10. It'll then show you the market price, the order total, the fees, and how much you would receive. And where it says insufficient funds for me, that is actually where it would say sell. If you want to change the crypto, you can go back, change the crypto to whatever you want. So let's just do Ethereum, press on sell, and it works the exact same way. So that is how you guys can sell crypto here on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.